Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to make a bigger purchase online, but your Paysafe balance isn't cutting it? That frustrating feeling of being limited when you want to spend? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of Paysafe and exploring how you can boost your limit and enjoy a more flexible online shopping experience. Understanding Paysafe limits. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of increasing your limit, let's clarify what it actually is. Paysafe limits are essentially restrictions on the amount of money you can deposit or spend using your Paysafe account. These limits are in place for security and regulatory reasons. Factors affecting your limit. Several factors can influence your Paysafe limit. Account age. A newer account might have lower limits compared to an older, established one. Verification level. The more information you provide to verify your identity, the higher your limit is likely to be. Spending history. Consistent and responsible spending can demonstrate trustworthiness and lead to increased limits. Country of residence. Some countries may have different limit regulations. Steps to increase your Paysafe limit. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter: how to increase your Paysafe limit. Verify your identity. Provide the necessary documents, such as proof of address and ID, to fully verify your account. The more information you provide, the higher your limit is likely to be. Increase deposit limits. If you're looking to deposit more funds into your account, consider using alternative payment methods like bank transfers or credit cards. Some methods might have higher deposit limits. Request a limit increase. Contact Paysafe's customer support and directly request an increase in your limit. Be prepared to provide information about your account history, spending patterns, and reasons for needing a higher limit. Maintain a good spending history. Avoid excessive spending or suspicious activity that could raise red flags. Consistent and responsible spending can improve your reputation and increase your chances of a higher limit. Consider alternative Paysafe products. If your goal is to make larger transactions, explore other Paysafe products like Paysafe Card, which might have higher limits or different usage restrictions. Be patient. The process of increasing your Paysafe limit might take some time. Understand the reasons for limits. Remember that limits are in place for security and regulatory purposes. Explore other e-wallet options. If you're facing significant limitations with Paysafe, consider other e-wallet providers that might offer more flexibility. Increasing your Paysafe limit can provide you with more freedom and convenience when making online purchases. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can improve your chances of achieving a higher limit and enjoying a more satisfying online shopping experience. Have you tried any of these methods to increase your Paysafe limit? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.